In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Canva. Whether you're designing an insightful presentation, a captivating marketing material, or an interactive document, adding a link can make your project both engaging and functional. So let's dive in, and you'll see just how simple and effective this process can become. To start, make sure you're logged into Canva and have your design open and ready. If you haven't signed up for Canva yet, don't worry, it's really easy to get started, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once your project is loaded, look for the text element to which you're thinking of attaching a link. This could be a word, a sentence, or even an entire paragraph, depending on what suits your design best. Click on this text to highlight it, and you'll notice the text editing toolbar pops up above. This step is key because the text needs to be selected before moving forward. Once your text is selected, take a moment to look at the menu above your canvas area. On the far right side of this toolbar, you'll see a small icon represented by 3 dots. Now, clicking on these 3 dots might seem like a small action, but it reveals additional editing options that are hidden from the standard toolbar view. This is a handy tip, not just for adding links, but for exploring other advanced editing features that Canva offers as well. Clicking those 3 dots will expand your tools, and from here, look for the icon labeled Link. It's often depicted with a chain link symbol, and when you hover over it, the word Link will appear as a tooltip. Go ahead and click on this icon to start the linking process. After clicking on the link icon, a small dialog box will appear asking you to enter the link destination. Now, you have a few options here. You can paste a web address that you've copied from a browser, link to another page in your design if you've created a multi-page document, or even connect to a file or email. For our example, let's imagine linking to another website. Enter the complete URL into the provided field to ensure it directs correctly when clicked. This is important for maintaining the functionality and precision of your link. When your link is all set to go, look to the lower part of the dialog box and find the Done button. By clicking Done, you save your link and finalize the process. It's a simple yet crucial step. Double-check your entry for any typos, because a small mistake in the URL might send someone to the wrong page, and we want to make sure everything is perfect. At this point, you're ready to test your link. You can do this by downloading your design or using Canva's presentation mode. Simply clicking on your text within these modes should direct you to the right destination, ensuring everything is working perfectly. And there you have it. That's how you enhance your Canva project with clickable links, adding layers of interactivity and professionalism to your designs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!